How do deep-sea plants conduct photosynthesis? When we mention the ocean, its vast and majestic image immediately appears in our minds. But few people know that, under that calm water surface, lies a mysterious world where life goes on without traditional sunlight. In these deep areas, sunlight cannot penetrate, creating a completely different environment. So how do plants grow and develop here? Do they have some kind of miracle to maintain photosynthesis? Welcome back to Wiki, where each video is a new and exciting journey of discovery about the plant world around us. In today's video, together we will discover the secrets of these marvelous plant species. Let's immerse ourselves in the world under the ocean, where life continues without sunlight. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this mysterious world? Let's share and explore more. Characteristics of the deep sea. Diving deeper into the ocean, we begin to enter a completely new world. Here, sunlight is a luxury concept, and life exists in a completely different form. At this depth, plants and marine life have to adapt to harsh environmental conditions. The weak light is not enough for photosynthesis, unlike terrestrial plants. But nature always finds a way. Some plants have developed the ability to survive through a special process of photosynthesis, without needing direct sunlight. Life in the deep ocean is an unending chain of connections. Plants here not only survive but are also the foundation for a rich and diverse ecosystem. This proves that, even in the harshest conditions, life can still thrive, as long as there is adaptation and creativity. But what makes us most curious is how plants here adapt to low-light conditions. How can they survive and grow without sunlight, which we usually assume to be essential for photosynthesis? Environmental challenges go beyond the lack of light. Extremely high water pressure, low temperatures and scarce food sources are also factors that deep-sea plants face on a daily basis. Photosynthesis in the deep sea. In the darkness of the deep sea, where sunlight cannot reach, the secrets of life are preserved. Let's find out what kind of energy source do the plants here, specifically the algae and microorganisms, use for photosynthesis? Different from normal photosynthesis, some organisms here carry out chemosynthesis, a miracle of nature that uses chemical energy from sources such as hydrothermal sulfide instead of light. This helps create a unique ecosystem around hydrothermal sources, where life depends on these chemical reactors instead of sunlight. This adaptation not only demonstrates the extraordinary ability of plants to survive in the deep sea, but also opens up new insights into the ability of life to survive in the most extreme environments. In the eternal darkness of the deep sea, we ask the question, is there any other method of photosynthesis that does not depend on sunlight? The answer lies in a magical process that nature has provided for deep sea creatures. Chemosynthesis, the process by which chemical energy from compounds such as hydrogen sulfide is converted into biological energy, allows life to exist and develop without the need for light. The role and importance of deep-sea plants. We have discovered the amazing life in the deep sea and how plants here conduct photosynthesis without sunlight. Now, let's learn together about their role and importance in sustaining life on our planet. Deep-sea plants, even at their darkest, are an important foundation of the marine food chain. They provide food and energy for a wide range of other organisms, from bacteria to megafauna. Not only do they help maintain biodiversity, deep-sea plants also influence the global carbon cycle, helping to absorb carbon dioxide and reduce the greenhouse effect. However, nothing can survive without facing challenges. Deep-sea plants and the ecosystems they support are threatened by climate change and human activities. In the eternal night of the deep sea, the question arises, how do deep-sea plants contribute to life on Earth? The answer lies in their undeniable role in maintaining the balance and life of our planet. Deep-sea plants are the start of many food chains, nurturing biodiversity from microorganisms to large fish and even large animals like whales. This richness is an important link between the ocean and life on land. Effects of climate change and marine environmental protection. As we increasingly understand the important role of deep-sea plants in ocean ecosystems, a worrying reality is gradually being revealed. Climate change and human activities are threatening their existence, as well as the entire marine ecosystem. This huge challenge requires a global action. Each of us, from individuals to communities and international organizations, need to raise awareness and take measures to protect the marine environment, conserve biodiversity and minimize negative impacts from climate change. We need to remember that protecting the marine environment is not just the responsibility of scientists or the government, but the responsibility of each individual. Through education, raising awareness and participating in environment protection activities, each of our small actions can make a big difference. Amid the great challenge of climate change, there are rays of hope from research and conservation projects around the world. Scientists, NGOs, and even local communities are making tireless efforts to protect the ocean and the creatures that live in it. The story of the Coral Reef Conservation Project on the Great Barrier Reef, where scientists are applying new technology to restore and protect coral reefs, is a good example. Collaboration between science research and public action are opening up new possibilities for our future. Together we explored a colorful journey under the ocean, where deep-sea plants continue to thrive without sunlight. We have come to understand more about this magical life and its importance for our planet. Now, more than ever, each of our actions matters. No matter how big or small, each input contributes to protecting the ocean and maintaining life on Earth. Let's join hands to work for a more sustainable future. Thank you for spending time with us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and share this video with friends and relatives to spread the message of protecting the ocean. We look forward to seeing you again in the next videos where we will continue to explore and learn more about the mysteries of nature and how we can contribute to protecting our blue planet. Goodbye and see you again.